Hello, Professor James's ENG102 class. Dan Colangelo from the Mercer County Community College Library again, here to show you guys how you can use our electronic books to find you some sources. Once again, this is based off of paper number 4, where you guys have to select A Doll's House, American History, or The Myth of Innocence. Any of those will do. And you also have a larger topic as well that you want to try and find some information on. Last time I showed you guys how to use the databases for scholarly sources, as well as looking for newspapers. Today, I'll show you how you guys can find some ebooks. So if you want, the ebooks would definitely be considered scholarly or substantive. So how do we get to the ebooks? We get to them basically the same way we went to the databases. Starts from the main Mercer website, scroll down, and click on Library Services. And over on the left-hand side, under Quick Links, last time I showed you guys the databases. This time I'm going to show you the link for ebrary eBook Central. ebrary eBook Central. What's nice about ebrary is that you guys can go in here and you can find full text books online. So instead of getting articles, it works the exact same way. But again, instead of articles, you guys will get books. All of those same tools I showed you last time will apply. You can use your Boolean operator, and you can use your phrase search like A Doll's House and gender to help you narrow down your search results. Again, this is based off of that set of keywords I showed you guys last time. So you can use A Dollhouse, you can use Myth of Innocence, you can use those larger topics as well. ebrary is going to contain literature criticism, it's going to contain sociology, history, so ebrary is great for pretty much anything. So there I've done my search. Oops, that finished coding. Bye. So there I've done my search in Doll's House and gender, and you can see we get 621 search results. And we can scroll down and see if we find anything interesting. One of the things that is helpful, you can see here, since I did that phrase search, it actually found the phrase A Doll's House. If I go into one of these books, I can actually search within that book for a particular phrase. So let's go ahead here, Women's Intercultural Performance. We can click on this book, and you will see we don't see Ibsen, we don't see Doll's House. That's okay. What we can do is a couple things. First, if you look here, every book is going to have a table of contents that's going to show you, okay, what's in this book. So here, if we click on contents, that's where it'll take us. And maybe in here we can find a chapter on Ibsen or Doll's House. Look, there it is, chapter number 1. Great. Now, if you didn't find, say, A Doll's House in this table of contents, you have an index that you can use, or even better, here where it says search within book, you can type in A Doll's House. And this is going to actually search within the book and show you where A Doll's House appears. So here you can see 6 results on page Roman numeral 7, is this? Yes. Okay. And you can scroll through here, every instance where A Doll's House appears in this book. And you can see here on page 15, it appears 11 times. A Doll's House, A Doll's House. Okay. It's actually found A. I should probably put that in quotes. All right. So, but it has found your phrase. So for example, if you are interested in just A Doll's House, which in this case we are, we know that chapter 1 is for us, so we can go ahead and we can focus in on that chapter. What you can also do, if you found a really, really good chapter, you can go ahead and you can download it or print it in a PDF format. There you go, you can click on that. So you can download a specific chapter, set of pages, just one page, it's up to you. You have the ability to go ahead and get the citation for the book. So we can click on Get Citation, and we can copy and paste this into our Works Cited page. So there we found stuff on A Doll's House. If we want, we can go back and we can do our search for feminism and gender roles. Again, I'm using quotes. If you don't want to use the quotes, that's fine, but I'm doing it just to show you guys a way to help you narrow down your search result if you really get stuck. So again, feminism and gender roles, there's 12,000 books. So again, what is it we're interested in feminism? What's gender roles? Things like that. So that's where, if you want to take a look at your paper prompt, what does Cover say? What does Gluck say? Things like that, okay? And you can add them into your search. Since this works exactly like a database, you can, if you find a really, really good search that's working for you in the databases, you can plug it into here. Same thing, you can take your ebrary search and plug it into your database search. Again, it's all based off of keyword terms and the Boolean operator. So again, you can scroll through and see and take a look. So here, I'll just click on one at random. Okay, here's this one. Multicultural gender roles. So here again, you can see you have your table of contents, chapter 3, 4, things like that. So if there's something in particular you're interested in, you go ahead, click on that chapter, and it'll take you right to there. And you can go and scroll through the book. And again, you can go ahead over here on the left and search for what you're interested in. I doubt Ibsen is going to be in here, but I'll give it a shot and see. Yeah, it's not in there. ISBN is in there, but not Ibsen. Yeah, that makes sense. So again, it'll tell you if it's in the book or not. And this one doesn't seem to lend itself to finding stuff on A Doll's House. But there you go. You can scroll through it, and you guys can find some more resources to help you with your paper. Okay, that's it for eBay. It's pretty straightforward. I think you guys will be okay. If you get stuck or lost or confused, please don't hesitate to email us or get in touch with us on Google Hangouts. Whatever we can do to help you guys, we'll certainly do our best. I know it's tough, but we'll get through it. And if you get stuck, just let us know. Great. Thanks. See you next time, guys. Bye.